Raising a child is expensive. In fact, according to USA Today, childcare costs exceed $20,000 a year in 22 states. For single mothers, this may be more than half of their income. Pursuing a higher education or even maintaining bills can be especially difficult for financially struggling mothers. While loans are an option for some, interest rates and repayment can eventually make things more difficult. Fortunately, there are a few organizations that offer grants that single mothers can utilize. We list 4 sources for single mothers looking for a grant. Number 1. Emma Johnson Single Mother Grant. Not only was Emma Johnson raised by a single mother, but her own husband left her alone to take care of their 2 kids. Fortunately, Johnson didn't let these events impede her goals. She persevered and continued to achieve the success she worked so hard for while raising her children at the same time. Johnson's wish is for motivated single mothers to be able to do the same. Every month, Johnson gives $1,000 to a deserving single mother. If you think that women could be you, follow the link above and fill out the application. Number 2. PEO International. The PEO, Philanthropic Educational Organization, is a sisterhood dedicated to helping other women reach their full potential. The company offers a variety of financial aid opportunities with 6 different projects you can apply for. They all differ in regard to requirements and benefits, so single mothers should take some time to look through each option to see what award best suit their needs. Number 3. USA Government Grants. If eligible, the government does provide housing grants for low-income families. According to the Life of a Single Mom, 1/3 of all single moms have to spend more than half of their income on housing. With so much of your finances going towards the roof over your head, it may be difficult to come up with the funds needed for foods and other necessities. If you find yourself in a situation where you can no longer afford housing, you may be able to get assistance. Apply online to determine what you're eligible for. Number 4. Soroptimist's Live Your Dream Awards. The Latin interpretation for Soroptimist translates to Best for Women, and the company does everything in their power to live up to their name. Through the Live Your Dreams Award, Soroptimist has provided over $2 million in educational grants to over 1,500 women. The organization focuses a large number of their efforts towards survivors of domestic abuse, so single mothers recovering from traumatic situations have a support group they can turn to for help.